Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Premium Holiday Mystery Box. I know this is kind of like a little late because these mystery boxes did launch on Thanksgiving, so it did take a little longer to get to me, but so yeah, I'm just going to get right on into it. I don't want to ramble on for too long. So I do want to just say that I do already know everything that's in here. I really tried to keep it a surprise this time because with all the other mystery boxes I've always just watched everyone's videos because I just couldn't wait. And this time I wanted to not watch anything. I didn't want to see any spoilers. I wanted to be like actually surprised. But since it did take a little longer to get to me than my last mystery box, I just couldn't help it, and I had already seen a spoiler online by accident. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out of the box is the sticker sheet. Now I know a lot of people were mad that this sticker sheet counted as a item, but I personally think that they look really cool. Plus someone took their time to hand draw these, and I really love them. I think they're super cute. I really want to get the cherry one as like a real tattoo. So yeah, I know a lot of people were upset that this counted as an item, but I personally think that it's really cool and I think it's different. Also, I don't think people should complain too much because it is a mystery box. So I mean, you know, you are paying for mystery items, so I personally love the stickers. Like I said, I think they're super cute and I like how they're like old-fashioned tattoo styles. So the first makeup item that I got in my premium mystery box is the Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. So this is just what the normal Skin Frost packaging looks like. It's really hot pink and these highlighters are huge. This is what the shade Ice Cold looks like. It's just a really super pretty icy color. I do have this on right now. I was gonna wait to like put it on in the video, but I just couldn't wait. I wanted to put it on now. It is so blinding and reflective. You really only need the tiniest bit with this highlighter because it is so blinding and reflective. So I'm really happy that I got this one because it is such a wearable shade and I really love it. So the next items that I got in my mystery box are two velour liquid lipsticks, and the first shade that I got is in the shade Mermaid Blood. It's this really pretty like deep turquoise-ish bluish shade. I don't really know how to describe this like exact color, but it's super pretty. I was really hoping that I was gonna get this variation with the ice cold highlighter and this lipstick just because I think it's a really cool unique shade, and I definitely don't have any lipstick colors like this in my collection. And if you didn't already know, you can use his velour liquid lipsticks as eyeliners. So if you do get a crazy color like this and you're not gonna wear it as an actual lipstick, you can use it as a eyeliner. So, and then the next velour liquid lipstick is the Mystery Holiday shade, which was in the premium and the deluxe box. It's just like a stocking with a question mark on it, so it doesn't have like an actual name, but it's this super pretty sparkly like metallic red lipstick. I love red lipstick, and I think that since this is like a metallic, it makes it even more like prettier. It's just so gorgeous. I can't wait to wear this and try this on. I do want to try on both of these in a second, but I want to get to the last product first. So I'm sure you all know by now, but can anyone guess what this is? So this is the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette, which when I saw this as a spoiler by accident, because like I said, I was really trying to keep this a surprise this time, but this is insane to me. I can't believe that the Blue Blood palette is in this, because for the Halloween mystery box, I got the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette, which I thought was insane, and I love that palette. But to get this palette in the premium mystery box, I when I saw the spoiler online, I about lost my mind because this palette is so pretty. I really wanted this when it first came out, but his big palettes are a bit pricey, but they are definitely worth the money. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It's in this really cool like coffin style packaging. It is like bulky for an eyeshadow palette, but it's just so pretty. I don't care. I'm gonna definitely keep this out on display, but it has just this really cool clasp. So this is what the inside of the Jeffree Star Blue Blood eyeshadow palette looks like. That's kind of hard to say, like say blue blood 5 times fast, and it's definitely a tongue twister, but this palette is so gorgeous. When I first got this in the mail yesterday and I opened it up because I just couldn't wait, I was in complete shock because this palette is just so pretty. I love blues. I literally can't believe that he put this in the mystery box. It's so insane, and I'm so happy I was able to get one. I obviously didn't use this palette today, but I'm definitely going to be doing a ton of looks with this palette on my Instagram, and I can do looks here on my channel. So if there's any like specific looks or tutorials you guys want to see, definitely let me know, because I want to play with this palette so bad. I'm so happy that this was in the box. I just think it's really cool that he put this palette in the premium. In the deluxe box, he did put a different eyeshadow palette. I'm not gonna say which one, just because if you did get a deluxe box and you haven't gotten it yet, I don't want to like spoil it for you. So yeah, now I want to try on the lipsticks. I'm gonna try on the blue one first, just because I already know I'm gonna wear the red one probably for the rest of the day. So okay, so this is the shade Mermaid Blood. Now I know it does kind of look a little crazy with my red and green eye makeup, but this is such a cool, like fun, unique color. Like I said, I definitely don't have lipstick shades like this in my collection, so I'm really happy to have this because I just think it's such a cool, fun color. Now, it does make your teeth look a little yellow, but honestly that doesn't really bother me. But yeah, I think this is such a fun color. This would be fun to do like a matching eyeliner and then lipstick like look. So yeah, this is Mermaid Blood. Okay, so this is the like holiday mystery shade. Like I said, it doesn't have a name, it just has a little stocking with a question mark on it. But yeah, this shade is so pretty. It is just a true classic red, but since it is a metallic and it has that sparkle, it makes it a little more special. I think it's so pretty. I don't have any metallic reds, so I'm really happy to have this in my collection, and I think since it does have that sparkle, it adds a nice touch to a classic red lip. I think it's so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be wearing this a lot for the rest of the holiday season. It's just so pretty. I love just the slight metallic shimmer. It's not like over the top crazy like bam metallic in your face. It's just a really nice subtle metallic sparkle. It's so pretty. So yeah, that was everything in the Jeffree Star Premium Holiday Mystery Box. Definitely let me know if you guys got one and which one you got, because there was the mini, the premium, which is the one that I got, and then the deluxe. So I would love to know which one you got if you did get one, and let me know like which products and colors you got, because I would love to know. And yeah, like I said, I'm definitely going to be doing a ton of looks with the Blue Blood palette on my Instagram and here on my channel. So if there's any like tutorials you guys want to see with this palette, definitely let me know. It is just so pretty. Here's another close-up of the palette. I still can't believe that this was in the box and that I'm even like holding it right now. It's just so crazy to me. I think Jeffree's mystery boxes, they just keep getting better and better every time, and I don't know how he does it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this mystery box unboxing and trying on the lipstick shades that I got. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.